Now I'll make some shorts. Again, I'm going to select the character, make live, make sure that I'm in the modeling toolkit, down here to Quad Draw. And by the way, with Quad Draw, if you go down here and open this up, you'll see all the shortcuts for Quad Draw. Okay. Actually, maybe I'll leave that up so you can see that. And now I'm going to go ahead and click. And I'll start, and again, I want that center point, okay, which is nice. I'm going to start kind of where, again, the top of the shorts are. So I'm just going to kind of come around here. There we go. And I think the next thing I'm going to do is form kind of where the leg loops are. So I'm going to go like here. Kind of want to keep these lines vertical. I don't want to get them too twisted. I want it to be kind of like a perfect ring. And I obviously want it to connect to the original. It's kind of tricky to see at some points, obviously. But you gotta just be careful. There we go. Okay, cool. It's all connected. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna worry about the center line. So I'm gonna go like this, and I want there to be a center track all the way around. I don't want it to ever lose a polygon on each side. Again, this is so if I want to mirror it, I can simply select one side of it. And it's going to be, again, tricky. Whoop, Control Z. Pull that over. And I want to kind of have this come all the way through. And realize also that it's not just about, hey, let's cover everything with blue polygons. It's about making the polygons correct position, okay? And that's what I'm trying to do here. And sometimes if it's too tough, I can kind of bring these closer, like way closer, like this. Let's see. Maybe I'll start some other ones here, like, let's see. There it is. There it is. Again, sometimes, again, you just kind of force it. There it is. Okay, cool. Now, little finicky. Move these closer. There it is. Now I can kind of move it farther away and connect. Whoa, this center. There it is. Okay. Now I should be kind of, I'm going to call it out of the woods, meaning that it's going to be easy now. There it is. I'm going to bring this all the way up. And again, I'm respecting that center line. Even if it's not going to be that form-fitting, it's okay. It still has that center line. Now it's easy because now I can just go like this and connect. Maybe add one there. There we go. Nice. Okay, excellent. That's, I feel like, the tricky part. Now I feel like now I can kind of think about what I'm doing here. So maybe I'll come up like that. I can always add as many loops as I need to here at the end. And on this one, I'll continue that process here like this. Excellent. Okay. Now maybe this starts to come over like that. And you can see how it kind of transitioned out of the trickiness, because this will just come through here. Aha, there we go. And now I'm going to continue that process up here. Kind of like a puzzle. And you know, maybe I'll have one more, because I can see that I've got two right there, so I'll put one here, and then I'll go ahead and connect these. There we go. Notice I'm keeping them, keeping these straight instead of again kind of getting twisted. And now I can see here, I'm going to just give this enough where I can kind of have these come up like that. Aha, there we go. And I can see that this one, maybe I fill that one in and then go like this, and now I can see that that kind of like changes the topology there. And I can hold down Shift and smooth over. I want to make sure that I again respect my center line. Sometimes they don't totally merge on the center. And I feel like I'm transitioning to a nice kind of circle on the the leg here. So maybe if I want one more row, that's fine. I can go like this. Again, each one should have a friend. This should be fairly easy. Oh. Again, it's going to be hard to see here, but that's okay. Again, I might have to kind of move this temporarily like that. There we go. Nice. Okay, excellent. Now I can see that I've got some shorts. And again, determine the length. Oh. Okay, excellent. Now I feel like what I might do is, again, like before, I'm going to select this, right-click, go to Object Mode, Isolate, Select, and then here I might select some of these and average vertices. Let's see. And again, that's just going to make it feel like it's not so tight. And I think what I might do is actually come in here, pull some of these manually out. Oh, and I see that I also have this I have to turn off. There we go. I turned off the magnet. There we go. Excellent. And again, if I press 3 is preview to smoothing, and I feel like that's giving me, it's showing me that there's some problems. So I would have to go in here and I'm going to fix those. I'm just going to simply merge where there's a problem. So if I press 3, I can see, yeah, there's a problem somewhere in here. So I'm going to select that and merge. Press G to repeat that. I can also see probably right here. So if I press 3, aha, that looks much better. All the way through, that looks good. So now I could probably take this, right click, go to face, select all this, extrude, pull this out to give it thickness, press 1 to see it actual. There we go. I want to be, again, careful in the middle here that I didn't like screw anything up. Okay, that looks good. Now if I unisolate select, awesome. Well, very cool. I can just select this, mesh display, soften edge. And if I need to, I'll just kind of come in here and pull that out just a little bit. So really good work. I feel like we got a character with some accessories. So excellent. All right. We'll see you next time.